I made this AI generated video by Kling AI from my own photo. In this video I am going to show you how you can also make this type of AI video. So let's go. First of all, we have to go to Kling AI. So in a browser I am going to open Kling AI. So here is Kling AI. This is also sponsored. Kling AI. It's opening. Now we will go to create. So here is several options. So first of all, we have to go to image generation section, as we have to make image from our own face. So here it is. Now I am going to upload one of a photo. Here you can click, drop or paste a photo. Few moments ago I also made some photo and video. Now I'm going to show you from the beginning how you can make it from your photo. So here I am going to open a photo. I will take this photo. It's recognizing. Then we will select face. Yeah, here is my face. It's recognizing and I will confirm it. The face is confirmed. Now what type of photo we want, by which it will make a photo. Then from this photo we will make videos. So to make the photo, I wish I am walking in a snowfall. So I will write the prompt, gentleman in dashing look, walking through snowfall. Now I'm going to make 3 outputs here, then generate. So let's check what it make. So the 3 photos are generating here, 1 2 3. Let's see what it can make. So we can see that here is 3 photo. So I like this one because this is a little bit this is angle photo, this is half photo, and this is full. It's not full, semi full photo. So I'm going to generate a video from this photo, this one, not this, from this photo. So I'm going to generate video. So I will click generate video. Here it's this is the photo. Now we have to prompt for video generation. So I'll say the man is walking and snow are falling. So this is the prompt here, and here it says 5 seconds or 10 seconds, 1 output, 2 output, So I'm going to make 10-second video. So it takes 40 points. So now we will generate it. It's already submitted successfully and it's generating. It shows that almost 3 minutes remain time. So let's check. So here is the AI generated video. So we'll play it. Wow, the man is walking and snow falling. So now we will download the video. Here is the download option. We will download the video. Here is the video and we can now use it in our social media. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.